Hello everyone, welcome back to Blender Point. My name is Sujat and today we have another video for you. This is about BuddyCode. This is a long awaited update to BuddyCode, and this will have the latest support for Gemini and Olama models. I'll show you how this works and we will go through the process as well. So let's begin. So here what I'm doing is I'm just going ahead and setting everything up. Here you see the preference on the left side, top, and where I'm changing the model. Currently we have the Gemini 2.5 Pro experimental model that is currently available for you to use for free if you have an API, which is also given in the preferences. You can paste it there and you would be able to do it. Right now I have some input text over here, which is basically saying that write a script which creates a, let's say, 5 by 5 grid of random cubes. And now you can see, and I have also given it two types of pairs, where in the first pair I have given the input text and the system prompt, and on uh, the second pair, which you can say as pair 2, as only the system prompt, because from the first prompt whichever outputs you would get would be given over to the pair 2. Now as you can see, I have already completed with the whole thing, and it has generated a random cube grid, and as you can see it works quite well. So that's it. This is the add-on. Hope you guys use it and find it useful for your own coding experiences. Thank you so much. Bye bye.